Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be studying about history, civics, and we'll be doing the respective MCQs. So before we start this video, I would like to say that this video is uploaded to this channel as Equalo Classes Shivam, where 4 previous videos have been uploaded on various topics such as picture-based questions, revision of British rule in India, important names and important dates. So be sure to check this video on this channel. Okay, so let's move on. What do you understand by federal structure of government? So the correct answer would be C, a method of dividing power between central government and state governments. Who needs to sign the bill passed by the parliament for it to become law? President. What is the number of members required for the quorum to constitute a meeting? 1/10 of total members of House. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Vice President. D. What enabled distinguished persons to have place in the upper chamber? C. Principle of nomination. What is the term of the Rajya Sabha? 1/3 of its members retire at the end of every second year. What are the members of the Rajya Sabha elected? How are the members of the Rajya Sabha elected? They are elected by the members of the state legislative assembly in each state. Who decides the salaries and allowances of MPs, ministers, etc.? B. Parliament. Which one of these statements is not correct about the question hour? President from time to time may summon each house of parliament to the question hour as he may think fit. So this is the incorrect statement. Which one of these statements best defines an adjournment motion? The correct answer would be A. To obtain information on matter of public importance or ventilate a grievance. 11th question. Which of these statements is correct about the power of the houses of a financial matter? The correct answer would be D. Why will the will of Lok Sabha prevail at a joint sitting with Rajya Sabha? Because Lok Sabha has numerical superiority over Rajya Sabha. So the correct answer would be B. Rajya Sabha has power to A. Elect and impeach the president. In general, how many sessions are held in a year? D. 3. The budget session, the monsoon session, and the winter session. Which one of these statements is correct about no confidence motion? The cabinet ministers are collectively responsible to the parliament. No confidence motion can be moved by ruling party against the opposition. The House can grant leave to move no confidence motion only when it carries the support at least 50 members. So C would be correct answer. When a dash is in operation, the life of House may be extended by a law of parliament, proclamation of emergency. A person shall not be qualified to be elected for a seat in the Lok Sabha if he/she is not registered as a voter in any of the parliamentary constituencies. A dash is the minimum number of members required to be present before meeting is allowed to begin. The correct answer would be quorum. C. The correct answer would be vote on account. Just check the question. If the budget is not passed before the beginning of financial year, dash authorizes the executive to draw funds from the consolidated fund until the budget is passed by the parliament. To be chosen as member of Rajya Sabha, a person must be a citizen of India and not less than 30 years of age. So in Lok Sabha, you must not be below 25 years of age, whereas in Rajya Sabha, you must not be of 30 years of age. There's a slight difference in the age category. The 21st question, presiding officer has to adjourn the House or suspend the meeting if the dash of, so this would be quorum. If you see 1/10 written anywhere, you can just naturally assume that it is quorum. The Vice President of India has no right to vote in the Rajya Sabha except to break a tie. In case of a conflict between dash and dash law, the law made by parliament shall prevail, central and state. C. Control over dash gives proof of the Lok Sabha superiority. B. National Treasury. The salaries and allowances of the president, the speaker, the judges of Supreme Court and High Court are vote on account. Rajya Sabha needs to pass a resolution by dash majority for the parliament to make laws on matter of the state list in national interest. So 2/3. The correct answer would be C. Dash is not subject to dissolution by the president, Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is not subject to dissolution because it is known as a permanent house. It cannot be dissolved, unlike the Lok Sabha. The session of each house of the parliament is summoned by dash. So the correct answer would be president. So the correct answer would be D. The president may promulgate /an when parliament is not in session. Ordinance. So ordinance is passed when the parliament is not in session. Dash are those to which member wishes to have an oral answer on the floor of the house. Start questions. When the member wishes to have a written answer on the floor of the House, it is known as unstarred questions. So moving on to match the following. Composition of the Lok Sabha. So the first will match to C. So either it can be A or it can be D. And the second is members representing the states, members representing the union territories. So third will be B. So the correct answer would be D, because first is C, second is A, third is B, and fourth is D. So let's move on. Picture-based questions. Study the picture and answer the following questions. Identify the Lok Sabha Speaker. Om Birla. C. Who is the principal presiding officer of the Lok Sabha? The Speaker. B. How is the Speaker elected? How is the Speaker elected? By the House from among its members by simple majority of members present and voting. What does the Constitution provide for the Deputy Speaker? D. The duties of the Speaker when the Speaker is absent or while the office of the Speaker is vacant. Assertion reasoning. Representatives of state in the Rajya Sabha are elected by the elected members of the Legislative Assembly of each state. And then the reason is this is done in accordance with system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. So over here we have been asked both A and R true and R is the correct explanation for A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. A is true, but A is false, but R is true. So the correct answer would be A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation for A. 38. Assertion A. The Lok Sabha may be a 2/3 majority pass a resolution that is necessary in the national interest to create one or more all India services. So this is wrong. Only Rajya Sabha can do this. So assertion A is false, but R is true. So the correct answer would be D. So let's scroll down. The 40th question. The parliament should hold at least 2 sessions in a year. The sessions are held to discuss the budget only. So the correct answer would be C. A is true, but R is false. Analogy-based questions. Complete the given analogy. Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman, Lok Sabha Deputy Speaker. If the strength of the House is 350 members, the quorum will be. So quorum is 1/10 of the membership of the House. So 1/10 into 350 would be 35 members. So the correct answer would be D. I'll just erase this. Okay, so the next question states that Lok Sabha is 550. So over here they're asking the strength of the Lok Sabha, and then they are asking the strength of the Rajya Sabha. So it would be 250. How many members of the Rajya Sabha retire once every 2 years? 1/3. D. Residuary power refers to the power to make laws on subjects which are in the not part of these 3 lists. So one is union list, state list, concurrent list, and one is residuary power, which covers topics which are not in either of the 3 lists. Who determines the salaries and allowances of MPs and ministers? B. The Parliament. Who is empowered to promulgate an ordinance when the Parliament is not in session? The President. B. Which of the following procedure authorizes the executive to draw funds from the consolidated fund? So this would be A. Vote on account. What is the required quorum to hold the meeting of the Lok Sabha? 1/10. Lok Sabha 2, Rajya Sabha 12. So 2 is written over here. It refers to the two Anglo-Indian people who are elected. And Rajya Sabha refers to the 12 nominated and distinguished people in all categories or areas, such as literature, writing, poetry, etc., social worker, etc. What is the normal term of office of the Lok Sabha? 5 years. The normal term of office of the Rajya Sabha is 6 years, which is B. What is the maximum gap allowed between 2 parliamentary sessions? A. 6 months. Who administers the oath of office to the members of the Lok Sabha? So the correct answer would be C. The Speaker of Lok Sabha. So moving on to the 6th question. It's not correctly visible. Okay. With regards to the powers of Rajya Sabha, which among the following statement is not correct? Money bill cannot be introduced in Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha has no power to either reject or amend the bill. Rajya Sabha cannot discuss the annual financial statement. So this is wrong. The C1 is incorrect. So that would be the correct answer. When is question hour held in the Lok Sabha? A first hour after every working day. Question hour, 0 hour. I'm sorry. So question hour is the first hour on every working day, and 0 hour is immediately after the question hour. To be eligible for the elections for a member of the Lok Sabha, the Constitution has laid down certain conditions. Which among these is incorrect? So the correct answer would be B. Over here, it's written 30 years of age for Lok Sabha, whereas it should be 30 years of age for the Rajya Sabha. What is the term of office of Rajya Sabha member? So again, previously I said that the term of office of Lok Sabha is 5 years, and for Rajya Sabha it is 6 years. Rajya Sabha, the vice president, Lok Sabha, the speaker. C. Who presides over the joint session of both houses of the parliament? So the correct answer would be D, the speaker of Lok Sabha. The minimum age for being a member of parliament is 25 years. B. Which among these is council of states in Indian parliament? The correct answer would be Rajya Sabha. B. Which is the lawmaking body of the Indian Union? The Parliament, the President, the Supreme Court, the Lok Sabha. A. The Parliament. Which of the following bills cannot originate in the Rajya Sabha money bill? All other bills may originate from Rajya Sabha, but money bill can only originate from Lok Sabha. What is meant by quorum? So the minimum number of members required to make an amendment in law, minimum number of members required to be present to transact the business in the House. B. B would be correct. Which of the following is not part of the union legislature? So president is the part, Lok Sabha is the part, chief justice is not the part, and Rajya Sabha is the part. So the correct answer would be D. Union list has 97 topics and concurrent list has 47 topics. What is the composition of the Lok Sabha? B. 552. Receiving all petitions and documents in the House is the dash function of the Speaker of Lok Sabha. So this will be administrative function of the Speaker of Lok Sabha. I think this question, the topic that this question covers, the administrative, disciplinary, and business functions of the Speaker, that is omitted from the syllabus as per the syllabus of 2022. So this question is invalid. So there is no need to study the administrative, disciplinary, and business function of the Speaker, even though even for like extra reading you may read it, but it won't come in exam. What happens if a vote of no confidence is passed against a minister? The whole ministry has to resign. Why so? I think there's a policy that states that the whole ministry is collectively responsible. So if there is dissatisfaction against one ministry, then one minister, then the whole ministry has to resign. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? The vice president. B. Who elects the speaker of the Lok Sabha? The members of the Lok Sabha. Who appoints the chairman of all the parliamentary committees in the Lok Sabha? The speaker. C. Complete the given analogy. Speaker, member of Lok Sabha, vice president, Rajya Sabha. Member of Lok Sabha, vice president is not the member of the Rajya Sabha. So it would be, the correct answer would be D. So let's move on to the next question. Who is the head of the Lok Sabha? The speaker. Lok Sabha 25, Rajya Sabha, it's asking the minimum age. So the correct answer would be C, 30 years. How many sessions of the Lok Sabha take place in a year? C. As I've said before, there is budget session, monsoon session, and winter session. So one question may come that which of these is not a session. So the correct answer would be summer session. There's no such thing as summer session. There's only budget session, monsoon session, and winter session. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? The Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the Rajya Sabha? The Rajya Sabha is a permanent body. True. The Vice President is the ex officio chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. Correct. 1/3 of the members retire every year. So this is incorrect. 1/3 of the member retire every second year. During the question hour, what are the start questions? Those questions to which a member wishes to have an oral answer. So A would be correct. A government has to resign if the no confidence motion is passed in dash only Lok Sabha. A. And then moving on to the next question, which of the following is not a constituent of the Indian Parliament? So Lok Sabha is, Rajya Sabha is, Supreme Court is not the constituent of Indian Parliament. So the correct answer would be C. What is the minimum age of holding office in the Lok Sabha? 25 years. C. Speaker is the member of Lok Sabha. Vice President is not member of any house. Who summons the budget session every year? A. The President. So one thing that you have to note is who summons the budget session every year. So this would be the President, but who presides over the session? It would be Speaker. So don't confuse these two. In case of a tie in the Lok Sabha, who exercises the casting vote? C. The Speaker. When does 0 hour take place in Lok Sabha? So as I previously said, it takes place after question hour. The opposition party in the Lok Sabha moves no confidence motion. So by default, you must know that the answer would be 50. How many minimum members? 50 minimum members are required. New All India services can be initiated in India only on the recommendations of the Rajya Sabha. So this is an exclusive power of the Rajya Sabha. What is interpellation? The right of the members to ask questions from the government. Which among the following is known as the upper house? Rajya Sabha. Question hour 10 days notice, 0 you don't need any notice. Which one of the following is not a session in the parliament? See, this question came. So the correct answer would be A, summer session. What is meant by constituency? Fourth, B, territorial area which elects its representatives to the Lok Sabha. During the question hour, what are the start questions? Oral answer. So the correct answer would be A. By whose advice can the Lok Sabha be dissolved? The Prime Minister. B. Adjournment of the House means the suspension of the sitting of the House by the Speaker, on which following condition the House cannot be adjourned. B. The Prime Minister is absent in the House. So let's move on. The maximum gap allowed between two parliamentary sessions is 6 months. A. Vice President Rajya Sabha, the Speaker Lok Sabha. No confidence motion against the union government can only be introduced in Lok Sabha. A. Dash presides over the joint session of both the houses of parliament. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Who administers the oath of office to the members of Rajya Sabha? So this would be D, the Vice President. Who passes the adjournment motion in the Lok Sabha? The Speaker. Dash can pass the no confidence motion against the union government. A, only in Lok Sabha. Dash is not a constituent of Indian Parliament. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. C, Supreme Court. Dash is not a session in the Lok Sabha, summer session. A person under dash of age cannot be a member of Lok Sabha. C, 25 years. A minimum of dash members is a required quorum. So if you see quorum, you must know that the correct answer would be 1/10. D. During question hour, what are the stat questions? Oral answer. A. Which among these is the House of People in Indian Parliament? So the correct answer would be A, Lok Sabha. In case of a tie in the Rajya Sabha, who exercises the casting vote? The Vice President. How many minimum members are required to move a no confidence motion against the union government? B, 50. Which is the lawmaking body of the Indian Union? A, the Parliament. So moving on to the final paper, what is the normal term of office of Lok Sabha? So the correct answer would be A, 5 years. Which among these is the Council of States in Indian Parliament? B, Rajya Sabha. Who is the head of the Lok Sabha? D, the Speaker. How many sessions of the Lok Sabha can take place in a year? C, 3. Who summons the budget session every year? A, the President. When does 0 hour take place in the Lok Sabha? After the question hour. C. New All India service can be initiated in India only on the recommendations of C, the Rajya Sabha. What is meant by constituency? Territorial area which elects its representatives to the Lok Sabha. And finally, to the last question, who administers the oath of office to the members of Lok Sabha? The Speaker of Lok Sabha. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. Again, I would like to say that this video will be uploaded to this channel. Be sure to check this channel out and all the previous videos. Stay home, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.